Good morning, plumbers. Paul from McDonaldPlumbingSupplies.com. This has always been the high temperature silicone that we've sold. It's a 310mm tube, normal silicone tube. And let's be honest, when you use high temperature silicone, you don't always need that much of it. You're slicing off the top, you're doing your job, and then you have to store that in your van, and inevitably next time you go to get it, it's rock hard. So we can solve that, and we can solve it for free. So the REGZ76 80mm is the same silicone that's in there, except you've just got a nice wee toothpaste tube, which just slice off your wee bit there. As soon as you've done your job, a wee bit of silicone, get that on, back in the van. It's not going to go. It's not going to set. It's not going to go hard. We're doing that free this week if you order some Plumbers Essentials and use the promo code TEMP0526. McDonaldPlumbingSupplies.com. Our mission is to increase plumbers' profits, and we'd love to get an order. Thank you.